We will guide you through how to replace music in YouTube Studio. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open the Windows search bar on your computer and type the name of your preferred web browser inside your device. When the browser appears in the search results, click it to launch the application and wait a few moments until it finishes loading. After the browser is ready, click the address bar at the top of the window. Type YouTube Studio and press Enter to begin searching. Wait for the search results to appear, then click the official YouTube Studio website to open it. If you are not already signed in, log in with your Google account to access your YouTube Studio dashboard. After the dashboard loads, browse through the list of videos on your channel and select the video that you want to edit. Click the video to open its details page. Next, locate the menu on the left side of the screen and click the editor option to open the built-in video editor. Wait a few moments while the editor loads completely. Once the editor is ready, find the music section to view the background music that has already been added to the video. If you want to replace the existing music, locate the current music track inside the editor. Click the three-dot menu beside the selected music track to open the available options. From the menu, choose Delete to remove the current background music from your video. Wait a few moments until the music is removed from the project. After the track has been deleted, return to the music section to open the YouTube audio library. Browse through the available songs until you find the new music that you want to use. Select the track and add it to your video. You have successfully replaced the background music in your YouTube Studio.